Okay, let's look at the project stage example. In this example, we will use just one stage, project, and then contents name 1 and company.location.country 1. This example means that we will take input documents and leave only 3 fields: underscore ID, that is not visible here but it exists, then name and company.location.country, and output documents with just those 3 fields. As a result, we will get documents like this. So underscore ID, then name and company.location.country. So it is a nested field. Okay, let's look at this example in action. Let me copy all those contents from the previous example and just let's open a new tab and paste it here. Let me remove all stages except stage 1, and I will use just one stage, stage project. And here I will delete contents, and instead of those contents I will need to add a list of fields that will be included in the results. So let me include isActive 1, name 1, order doesn't matter, and gender 1. And let's execute this, Command Enter. So what happens here? I take all documents in the persons collection and then perform aggregation. All documents in the persons collection are passed to the project stage, and project stage leaves only 4 fields: underscore ID, then name, isActive and gender, as we have specified here, and outputs documents. And of course, as a result, we will get 1000 documents, because one document as an input, one document in the output. If you want, we can quickly add count here, just count, total, and let's look at the result, 1000. Let me remove this count and execute this again. Okay, as a result of this project operation, we will get documents maximum with 4 fields. If some fields are absent in some documents, they will not be available in the output documents. Okay, let's change this string and add underscore ID 0. So I don't want underscore ID to appear in the results. Let's execute it, Command Enter. And now underscore ID is absent. Let me remove underscore ID 0. Let me change just once to 0. Like this. And execute, Command Enter. Now I get documents without mentioned fields. So I get all fields except those specified here in the project stage. But this will happen only if all values are 0. So here are results. Of course, you can easily add another stages before project stage, but usually project stage goes immediately after the match stage. Okay, let's go on, and in the next example we will look how you can rename fields and restructure documents using project stage. See you shortly.